There are 6 basic variable types with user data and thread, which makes 8 in total. So of course, nil evaluates to false. And also Boolean false. Zero evaluates to true and not false, as well as positive numbers and negative numbers. Zero point zero is also true. Empty string is also regarded true, even if you put nil or false inside the string. Empty table is also true. So what about empty function with nothing in it? It looks like it still evaluates to true. How about we return nil or false? So function as a variable type, it is always true, regardless what the function returns. If we call the function, it will be evaluated according to return value. So returning false evaluates to false, and nil also. But the function as a type, it is always true. So in Lua, everything is true except nil and Boolean false.